episode. But now we're going to get to the halving. Again, I'm very excited about this part. So before we even dive into the numbers, I did pull up Investopedia, of course, why not, right? And they have a nice little picture, the Bitcoin halving. It's an event when the reward for mining Bitcoin transactions are cut in half. Okay, so what does that mean, right? What exactly does that mean? Are all the Bitcoin, are half of them going away? No, right? So let's dive into it. All right. This, again, we're just going to read a little from the website, and then once you see the numbers, it'll make a lot of sense. So it says Bitcoin halving refers to an event that takes place every 4 years and reduces the block reward by 50%. This lowers the supply of Bitcoins entering the market. That's key. That's what it does. It lowers the supply of Bitcoin entering the market. Because again, there's Bitcoin miners. They do their thing, right? They make some Bitcoin, but they can only do it at a certain, based on a certain level, right? And once that, the blocks, whatever, they call it the reward. Once that reward lowers, every 4 years, the amount of Bitcoin that they're mining is less and less and less, right? Essentially, this is like I guess a battle of inflation, a way to limit the supply, right? And it says here, yeah, this lowers the supply of the Bitcoin entering the market, which increases scarcity and can act to raise its price if market conditions remain the same. But as you know, right now, market conditions are not nice. But whatever, man. Whatever. That's we're not here to worry about what the price is doing. We're here to talk about how the halving works. All right, so that's just a little detail from Investopedia.com, which again, they always have everything. But I did some details, so check this out. Okay. So on January 1st, 29, again, I don't know the exact launch date, but we'll just say 2009, Bitcoin started a reward. It was 50 BTC, 210,000 blocks per 4 years. Again, that remains the same. That's the consistent. So if you take 50 reward times 210,000 blocks, the year from 2009, until whatever the 4 years out, they were mining 10.5 million in Bitcoin. Okay, putting the total obviously at 10.5 million. So at the time, obviously, if you bought Bitcoin, it was really cheap then. Clearly, in the pennies, it would have been a great time to buy. But again, right off the bat, there was a lot of Bitcoin available, on launch. But then 4 years later, let's pull that up. Okay, so now we got November 28th, 2012. It's approximately this is not exact, so don't worry about this date. We'll just say 4 years. It was 4 years later. Now, what you do is you cut this in half. You cut the reward in half. So 50% times 50, now we're looking at 25. All right, so the reward is 25 now. Again, the blocks are going to always be 210,000. So basically, you take 50% of 25, which is the reward, and you're adding now another 5.2 million Bitcoin in circulating supply, putting the running total at 15.7. So again, at the time, if you were to go to CoinMarketCap and look at the circulating supply in 2012, again, who the hell even knows if they were around? Yeah, I think they were around then, right? But if they weren't, whatever, someone was tracking it, and that was the number of the supply. All right. Let's move on to another 4 years, and I'll look at the comments in a second. I think I saw a question, but now, okay, another 4 years went by. We're on July 9th, 2016. The year's about 3 years, 60, whatever, almost 4 years, right? They're going to cut the reward in half yet again. So we're now at 12. We're at 12 and a half now. So again, the reward, cut in half by 50%. We're still using 210,000 blocks, and now they mined 2.6 million. Again, these are probably approximate numbers, by the way, not particular exact. The exact number is, yeah, eventually it's 21 mil, right? That's the number that they're going to mine, when all said and done. But you could see, all right, wow, we started with 10.5 and then we jumped up 5, but now we're only jumping up 3. So as the rewards get cut in half, they're not going to mine as many every 4 years. It's going to be less and less and less and less and less. All right, I'm going to keep going. I'm going to finish going through this, and then we're going to do the questions, actually, because I do want to put this as a separate clip. All right, so let's go to another 4 years. Now we're getting close to current date. We're at May 11th, 2020. The reward is yet again cut in half. We're about 4 years again out. The reward, again, cut in half, 50%, is now at 6.25. All right. So again, if 210,000 blocks are getting mined at a rate of 6.25 Bitcoin, now you're only adding about 1.3 million into the supply, making the running total 19.6 million. Okay. All right. Moving along. Again, we're going to go a little faster now. Here is, yes, we are here. So, well, we're in between these two. I'll do 5 and 6 together. So we got, okay, we just had the last one on April of 24, right? So the reward is now, I guess, currently at 3.125. Again, that's 50% of the last reward. And we put another 656,000 in current supply, making it 20.3 mil. And again, the next one is scheduled for, again, how did I do this? Did I just throw a date on? Or did they give me the dates? I don't even remember. No, yeah, I just added 4 years. All right. So yeah, April 1st, 28th, for example, if that's the date, whatever, it's going to be cut in half again. 1.5625 is the reward, 210,000 blocks. They're going to add 328,000. So you can see every single year, less and less gets added to the running total, AKA the circulating supply, right? So now we're obviously somewhere in between here, right? I was going to say it's 25. It's not. It's 2026. So we're in the middle here. Although the circulating supply does show still in the 19s, but whatever. Again, like I said, it's probably not going to be exact, at or around. So it makes, we're close to the number, but this is where we stand, right? So now we're going to go through, and every 4 years, it's the same thing's going to happen. So, and we're just going to go down the line. So let me, so obviously, in 2032, we're going to do this until 21 million Bitcoin are mined. We'll add another 164,000, right? And then 36 and 82,000. I mean, this is going to go quite some time, a lot longer than I thought, to be honest. This is going to continue, again, look, 2040. I mean, look at this. Going into the freaking next century here. So basically, it's going to go all the way down to approximately March of 2140, right? I should probably add here. Let me add format. What the hell is it? Date. Custom date. Yeah, let me do that. Boom. There you go. 2140. In 2140, the last rewards of, the reward will be 0.0, a whole bunch of zeros and a 6, still having, 210,000 blocks. A whole 0.0012 will be mined that year. So the idea is the value of Bitcoin, would be like so high at that point that, it's not going to be at all cheap to buy that, that number, right? Could you imagine right now it's doable to buy this amount again, but we don't know what the price is going to be, nor will be around to find out. But But regardless, that will put us at, well, again, if you look at, if I brought this out to decimals, you could see, I guess, further. Okay, so you'll be at the year 2040, you'll be at 20,99999. Just say 21 mil. All right, 21 mil. But hopefully, again, so there's 34 Bitcoin halvings based on what I'm calculating, and it's going to end in the year 2040. So yeah, it's going to be a long time. Again, before I looked at this, I never knew when it was going to end, right? I didn't really look into it. I just thought, all right, it's coming. We're at 19 million. It's coming up, right? We're gonna eventually have all of them in circulating supply, but no, we're not, because they cut it in 50%. So I think this is actually pretty amazing stuff here. And I was so happy when I came out with the numbers, because I had to do, a little bit of research, because I didn't understand this. I don't know if you guys did, but it makes sense to me now. Finally, the Bitcoin halving makes sense. But so yeah, that's the summary on the Bitcoin halving, and how it works. So now I'll get to the question. I'll get to the comments. Sorry, but I had to